Are you also tired of waiting endlessly and endlessly for a small print which takes hours and it takes forever to wait? Well, we've developed a brand new product which involves high printing volumes. As you can see right here, we managed to use recycled plastic pellets, and we pour it into our machine, which then uses this plastic to extrude and build a brand new product for you.
The MORE-struder 3000 has been designed by students of the Hogeschool Utrecht and Productspace. The pellet extruder features 3 heating elements for optimal temperature control. The extruder is driven by a NEMA 23 stepper motor. Experiments have shown that the extruder is capable of extruding 160 grams of plastics per hour. The main purpose of the pellet extruder is to achieve large and affordable 3D printing. The pellet extruder was developed by engineering students from Holland. The objective was to build up a solid basis based on research and scientific experiments around pellet extrusion. A group of other students will take up the project where we left it off and further develop the extruder. If you have any questions regarding our design, please leave a comment below this video.